Can a president impose tariffs without limits? That's the big question now landing at the doors of the United States Supreme Court. And this isn't just any legal dispute. What's at stake is the most radical use of tariff power Donald Trump has exercised since taking office. It all began when two educational toy companies decided to stand up against what they see as an abuse of power. Learning Resources and Hand to Mind aren't just fighting for their businesses. They've just filed a groundbreaking petition asking the Supreme Court to immediately strike down the tariffs imposed by Trump under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, known as IEEPA. According to these companies, the economic impact is so severe that it cannot wait to go through the usual lengthy judicial process. They argue that the tariffs are hurting millions of consumers and businesses across the country, and that allowing Trump to use this law without limits opens the door to nearly unchecked power from the Oval Office. A federal judge has already partially sided with them. Judge Rudolph Contreras ruled that Trump exceeded his authority in applying those tariffs. However, his decision only applied to these two companies. Now, they want the Supreme Court to skip the appeals court entirely and issue a final ruling as soon as possible. The timeline is tight. The justices have less than 2 weeks to decide whether to take the case before their summer recess. If they do, we could see a historic hearing in September or October, one that might redefine the limits of presidential power over the economy. Meanwhile, neither the White House nor the Justice Department has commented. But the official silence contrasts with the growing noise this battle is generating across the business, legal, and political worlds. Because what's at stake isn't just the price of toys or a few companies' bottom lines. It's the balance of power in the world's largest economy. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you next time.